Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is Monday, March 19th, and we did have kind of a different twist today. Usually we come in and, Mondays, we usually see some buying, money flow coming into the markets. We see a positive attitude. The markets are higher. Today, a little bit different story. The grains, corn down about 9.5, beans down 7.5, and wheat down 19 3/4. So wheat being now down 19 3/4 helped push the corn, helped keep the attitude a little negative into beans as well. Big story there for the wheat is the weather. Okay, there's dry weather concerns for most of the plains. These winter wheat areas, we've got some good rain coming in. And you look at the weather maps, they're looking for some very good amounts across the entire winter wheat areas, stretching as far south as down into Texas, all the way as far north as up into Minnesota yet, and even part of the Dakotas. So we're looking for a very good coverage of rain, so a good rain event over the next week or so, and that's going to help things out. So that helped pressure the wheat. But kind of something, though, that I don't know if guys really didn't want to jump on the ball too hard with it. It was very light volume today. So usually when you get bigger volume and you're down, you can get another good push down. Well, it was light volume today. So it's almost like the market wants to see us down again before it really believes it. Corn, they did sell. The funds sold 10,000 contracts today. Beans sold 3,000 contracts of beans. Not a lot. And then on wheat, 3,000 contracts of wheat as well. So on 3,000 contracts, being down 19 3/4 cents for May, that's quite a move. But looking at some of the outside markets, no influence from them at all. We haven't gotten a lot of help from the dollar or from anything else. As I mentioned, it's been almost entirely money flow. Looking at the dollar, down 35 cents today. Usually that's going to support the grains. Well, it didn't. Crude oil, it sure did, up $1. Crude oil's back to 108 a barrel. So it has been quietly creeping higher. It did after, going back a few weeks, crude oil spiked and hit that 110.55 area. It's now bumping its way back up to that 108. So the charts look pretty good there. As far as the stock market, continuing to creep higher as well, only 17 points higher right now as far as the futures, but still remaining in the green. And then the metals. After taking an absolute bloodbath over the last several weeks, gold finally catching a little bit of strength, up about $7. Silver up 41 right now. So we are finding a little bit of a boost, at least to start the week. As far as the livestock, fat cattle down about 12 cents for April, but the Junes hit a little bit harder, down about 60 cents. So we could be looking at more pressure here in the next coming months. We're still looking at rallies right now in the cattle as far as selling opportunities. But we are down a little bit here today as far as cattle. As far as the hogs, April finished about 7 cents higher today. The back months here kind of mixed, a lot of spread unwinding in the hogs. But we're still looking at it more of a sideways to maybe lower market right now for the next couple weeks as far as hogs. So continue looking for something like that. I do want to take this time to thank everybody that had participated in our acreage survey. We have released our findings from that survey right here online. You can take a look at it right at the top of our homepage. Click on that link right there, and you can see our findings. But I want to thank everybody that did participate. We've done very well with the survey because of you guys, and encourage you guys to continue doing that here in the future. So thanks again for doing that. And as I mentioned, a lot of stuff thrown at us today. Give us a call with any questions that you might have, 800-262-7538. Check us out online, allendale-inc.com. Have a great one. We'll see you.